which is like Lezo Ngoma. It's very big, guys, but I've never even gotten a cent from it. I've never even gotten R1 from Lezo Ngoma Lezo. I've never. Instead, kumele kube yena i-artist elibig eSouth Africa, and then the next follows. The rest follows. You understand? Kumele kube uye artist ebig eSouth Africa. Why kumele kube uye? Why thina self kumele sizwe ngaye ukuthi right now if mina ngifuna ingoma yami ibe nkulu kumele ngisebenze nalo muntu lo. Why can't I make my own hit song? You understand? I'm really tired, guys. It's really hurting my feelings. It's really hurting my feelings. It was nice, Masange, and they still gonna do that with your Scott Mapuma. They're gonna post him. But as soon as I decide to klala phansi, I no, it thinks I'm playing into zami. It thinks I'm playing into zami gahle, they'll stop posting him. They only post you because they can't take it anymore. You are trending, you are too viral. That's when they will post you. I'm honestly tired of this thing. I'm tired. I'm tired of South African promoters giving us small money. I'm tired of these local pages as a music as a South Africa's Push My Piano. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. The last time they posted me and they deleted it same time. Why would you do that, bro? Why would you put it? It's not a thing that's starting now. I've been trying to keep myself calm, but now it has to come to an end. I'm at my peak now. Yes, I am. I'm planning on going to USA for 6 months. I really want to try and make it out there. South Africa is too small. There's not a lot of people. I'm really tired, guys. I'm super tired. Labantu badlala ngathi. After my EP, I just wanna say, after my EP drop, I don't think I wanna do Amapiano again. I don't think I'm gonna start afresh. I'm gonna delete everything. I really wanna leave Amapiano and start doing new things like Nenzo Amachandrabo Ashak and them and see how it goes from there. I have hip hop songs. There's literally artists that your favorite artist takes 6,000 USD. Your favorite Amapiano artist takes 6,000 USD or 7. It ends there. You need to know that part. It ends there, guys. Like, we don't make money, guys. We travel so much. We pray, siyaphahla, senza zonke lezi zinto ukuthi ingayenzakali anything. All in the name of 100. If I have to travel 5 provinces for 100,000, how am I gonna buy a house? How am I gonna take care of myself? Sonke sihlangene silapha ema-apartmenting. Sonke silapha ema-apartmenting. I can't. Mangivuka ngihlangana nobani naye sekangena ila-apartmenting. It's not nice, for real. It's not nice. Silapha sonke, all of us were in those apartments. La sishuthayo. Ubona umuntu aphethe isikhiya shuthe so engathi indlu yakhe. It's not your house. It's not your house. It's a rental. You are renting that. When are you going to buy your own house? 40. When you get to 35, that's when you're going to buy a house. And only if you've been saving for these past few years. It's not happening. I'm really tired. We buy second-hand cars. It's not nice. It's not nice. So all I'm going to say, one thing that I'm going to say to these local piano pages that are pushing artists and them, bro, keep doing your own thing. I'll do my own thing. You know what I mean? Don't come back to me and ask for a song. Don't come back to me and smile with me when I'm at the club, knowing that you are wrong for doing what you're doing. You are gatekeeping. And then you want your artist to win. You are gatekeeping me. You want your artist to win. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. You have your own favorite artist that you push. You stole a movement from us. You are using it somewhere else. And then you present it to people like it's your own movement. Hell no. It's not happening. You stole it from me. You stole it from us. We had that movement before. Where you guys before had it? You stole it from us. You just need to understand that you stole our people. You stole the whole movement from us. And then infuna ukufika la nijabule kube ngathi yonke into ya kumnandi, you guys are pushing, knowing exactly ukuthi some of the artists are my friends, but I know they sell out. I'm not going to mention their names, but they know themselves they sell out. The timing isn't except like it's Brown. We had the whole movement going on with Bozen10 and them. We were pushing for real. And then when that thing happened, the Moza sound was, everyone like started going to his house and doing what. That's where this page came in and stole our people because they were hungry, they didn't have money. And then you guys used it against us. Ni 70 against us. And then we need. Yes, ngivumelana nani winile, 100% ni winile ni tolile. But now I just want to tell bonke lama artists abawasebenzisayo manje bawazazi bona. Bawazi. Abo Uncool, abo I don't want to go further because you guys will definitely see what I'm talking about. Right now you're posting Scots because he's the one who's hotter right now. You know what I mean? When Scott goes down, you're going to post another artist and leave Scott behind with nothing. Like, labantu laba literally bangibizile eventing yabo. Ngaya. When I got there, guess what? I was with Dos that day. I was chilling with Dos. I left. I was like, yo, my boy, let's leave. Let's go to this event. This person and this person is performing there. They said we must care. We get there. They don't cater drinks for us. We had drinks. We had to buy our own things to cater ourselves there. You understand? When the very same person, when our own user, you record everyone. You get studio sessions with almost every artist. Elilap. And then maluthola little artist, we are user. And then you go to overseas. When you go to overseas, you don't even tell on your PR, the PR that you guys are saying are doing. When you guys get there, party, who spotted with who. Why don't you tell that guy from overseas that there's PC? PC is the one who's singing on this song. PC is the one who's singing on this song. Why don't you have amandla wokutshela lo muntu ukuthi no, uPC uye lo. uPC uyocula le ngoma lezi. You can't. Awwazi ukukhuluma lezo zinto lezo. But you're going to come back when your songs are dead and come back to PC and say, PC, I have this song. Now, ngubani seka recordile, please add. You know what I mean? When I add on that song, Nyajabula, everything is nice. Ne? And then after, you go do your shows. Nyahamba nifike nile. Man fika nishama showeni, perform. I've never been put on even once. I hustle my own way, which is even now I'm still hustling my own way. I understand. I'm really tired of being exploited by abantu who think they have more power than me. I understand. I'm really tired. I perform your songs always, bruh. I always perform your songs. And I even perform better than you. And the minangi one. You understand? I'm the only one on stage in perform aglezo and gomalezo. But you can't even put me on. You can't say, literally, when I'm about to release, you're gonna start posting your own songs. Ufuna ngenzeni mina ngihambe ngiyojoyina nina. Ngihambe mina self the PC ngihambe mina ngiyojoyina nina futhi. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. I'm so sorry. It has to come to an end. I'm really tired of this. Because I know even this year you're still going to do it. You're going to go outside and come back and come ask for songs. I give you songs. And then you go do your own things. And then you come back to me when your songs are dead. I'm really tired of that thing. I'm really tired. Guys, we work hard for this thing. We work hard. If you can check my performances, I'm doing what I love. But now, it's really... Like right now, young disturber. It's like... I'm at work more than me doing something that I love.